Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I've got another unpackaging video for you. This arrived today, another purchase I got from the Silver Forum. I've actually got myself my own knife now to make these unpackagings a bit smoother. So let's get straight into the video. So what have we got in here then? So we've got the coin. As you can see, it's a Marvel coin with the Hulk on it. Put that to one side. Let's see what else we got. So we've got a free gift, it says. Anti-tarnish polishing cloth. Nice little touch there. Got two of those. Oh, there we go. So that's the person that I brought it from. If you want to check out their other listings. Really nice. Haven't seen these before. These little cloths. And then we've got a postcard of like a panda. It's going to fit on the screen. There we go. What's it say on the back? Anything? No, that's quite cool. So I can use that to send someone something. So yeah, nice little touch. Couple of free gifts there. So let's get into the star of the show, which is obviously the coin. I do try to stay away from the kind of more premium coins now. I do tend to stick to more bullion coins. However, every now and then it is nice to have something a bit more premium in the stack. One of my favourite Marvel characters is the Hulk. That's why I went with this one. And I actually got quite a good deal on it, really. It wasn't much over what I'd normally pay for a Britannia. So let's just take it out of the capsule. Gorgeous looking coin. 4 nines fine, which is nice to see. 2019. Looks very, very nice condition. And let's see the star of the show here. The Hulk himself. Great looking coin. Quite hard to get these kind of reverse proof type mirror effect coins on camera. There we go, that looks a bit better. You can see more of the detail at that angle. Marvel Hulk. Really, really nice coin. Like I said, I try and stay away from these more premium coins. However, this was not much over what I'd normally pay for a Britannia, so I couldn't not pick it up. Really, really nice condition. Very short video today just to showcase this coin. Let me know what you think in the comment section. As always, thank you very much for watching my videos, and I hope you have a nice day.